Hi, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today I'll be reading energy with a pendulum for chakras. I'll be using tarot and an oracle to close a message. A friendly reminder that this is a general energy reading, always with love, hoping to connect to those who would benefit from this message. I've meditated on your energy and pre-shuffled both decks. And with that said, let's begin. We'll begin with your crown. Third eye. Thank you. Throat. Heart. Solar plexus. Sacral. And root. Thank you. So for today, it's asking us to focus on the third eye chakra, which on the side has the thing of awareness. The third eye is located in the center of the forehead between the eyebrows. It represents intuition and foresight and is driven by openness and imagination. Imbalance attributes would be a lack of direction and lack of clarity. So with that said, again, it is considered the sixth chakra, and in that particular area of our body, we hold our vision, our pineal gland, our pituitary glands, our eyes, our ears, our nose, our brain, skull, and central nervous system, as well as our intuition and our senses. So just focus on everything that is in that particular area. Bring more attention, bring more awareness to yourself in that particular area. Drink a lot of water, try to eat healthy, get yourself enough rest. Again, I am not a doctor or anything like that. It's just, this are just energies that are held in that particular area that I am studying of. And so I would recommend that you do your own research in regard to your third eye chakras or just chakras in general to give you more clarity as to what you can do to bring that area of you back into balance. With that said, words that hold relevance to this particular chakra is our intuition, our insight, our perception over things, our imagination, how we visualize things, and our memory. We hold a lot in that particular area of ourselves. This is also where we hold our synchronicities in life, our psychic gifts, our dream recall, our illusions. So again, focus on that. Meditate to enhance your clairvoyance if you're that. To tap into your psychic gifts and into your intuition and to your also your subconscious mind. So if you've been dreaming a lot, wake up and write it down, or practice memorizing what you saw, the animals or the plants, and connect the dots in many ways. Work on your mind in many areas, and work on the polarity of that too. If you do a lot of talking, do a lot more listening, and vice versa. Just be intentional behind bringing that particular area of you into balance. I hope that this message is of service for you all. And with that said, I'm going to move on to tarot. Nope, I lied. I want to speak about the color, because the color that just really, I saw the word awareness again here. And so let's talk about the color that goes to that particular chakra. It's a navy blue or a deep indigo. And that's so funny because I'm wearing blue today too. So, there's something to that. Uh, let's talk about the actual essence or the psychology behind the color blue. Um, Blue represents tranquility, mystery, wisdom, creativity. It's also the color of spirituality, of elegance. Um, and so yeah, study the color, even wear those colors. If there's such a thing as like, any fruits or vegetables that are of that essence, try to consume them, or light a candle with that particular candle, or even wear it. Like, again, jewelry, things that will just bring you those essence into your life. Okay. Okay, now I can move on. Like I said, I've already pre-shuffled and meditated on your deck. I will cut one more time. Mind, body, and spirit for the collective. Mind, body, and spirit. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do the overall. Okay, so for the mind, we got the Five of Swords. And for the body is the Queen of Pentacles. For spirit, we got the Three of Wands. And for the overall, the Nine of Swords. I want to talk about the overall because it speaks about the number 9 and its fruition, it's attaining, finally fulfilling, or, final stage of the journey coming through. Okay, like this is a card for me of like the end of sleepless nights. There is a change coming through in your mental state, but it's again for a greater change, for something maybe bigger than you, because I see other people here. And in this card, really no one wins. There's like a battle almost, and there's or too much practice, and everybody's tired and just major change. This particular card speaks about conflict, unfairness, sadness and stress. Moving forward. And this is very much what I see. I see a lot of moving forward here from your mental state. Swords are represented of the mind. Okay, swords are our intellect, are how we process things, how we receive things. It's also connected to our communication. So a lot of harsh mental thoughts, a lot of probably like just receiving a lot of like mental, or a lot of like conversations that are not, productive towards where you're wanting to be. And so, yeah, the number 5, like I said, it's a number of change. It's an uncomfortable change. Is disorder. But with effort, these conflicts can be sorted out for sure. Okay. And in your body, you're being shown as the Queen of Pentacles, which is a feminine energy. It speaks about patient introspection, more in, compassion. There's nurturing here. Okay, it's creative, it's right brain, it's intuitive. So in your body, in this particular part of you, it's asking you to bring in prosperity, independence in many ways, to be resourceful with what you do have. It speaks a lot about fertility. You're giving growth to something physical. This speaks up earth element. The pentacles is your physical needs, it's your finances, it's your body. So bring in more nurturance towards that. Put your focus on to different choices, onto nurturing what is going to bring you more growth, and being intuitive in that sense, being softer with your thoughts, and more of going within. Like I said, masculine energy is more outer energy, and feminine, it's more inner. And so, yeah, when it comes to your body and your finances and your physical needs, be more soft and really tap into your intuition, to see if it's actually giving you more growth, versus hear your mind, what you actually see, it's not necessarily what it is. So be softer, allow changes to come through, but be more nurturing in your health, and saving money possibly with your children. Like I said, be resourceful. This is a card of fertility as well. So there's a lot more to come, more to bring into life. Intuitively, it's the Three of Wands, and Wands is fire. It's your creativity. It's your energy flow. It's how you move. And here it's saying to be focused. This is you waiting for something to come in, news to come in, or just staying, just not really moving a lot, more of like just observing and connecting. The three, I love the three because it's a very creative growth kind of number. It brings a lot of teachings, and a lot of connections, like your mind, body, and spirit. I always speak about that. It has that essence of past, present, future. And so here, this one speaks about hard work, staying patient, travel. This is also looking into long distance. Looking into the long distance, this is expansion in many areas. This is, like I said, also travel. So for now, just hold place and connect the dots for you. Put in the hard work for now, and work on your relationships and how you move the relationship with your own self. I see a lot of energy here, and the only clouded area for you, the heaviness of where it might be preventing you to connect your third eye and your way of thinking, is by thinking negative. It clouds it a lot more. But physically speaking, and your actual movements have a lot of energy. It's your mind who's clouding that third eye of yours. So be mindful of that, but just also know that it's a change. It's change, and it's moving you forward. It's finally at the end of the cycle. It's pushing that, but put your energy here on your movements and on your actual and what you're bringing into life more than anything. Like I said, connect your mind, body, and spirit in a more productive way. Look into what brings you new passions. Like I said, nurture you differently. Okay, move things around and allow these changes to also, move on gracefully. I know it's easier said than done, but again, these are all minor arcana. These are passing moments, so there's nothing pending, that can be of high warning, if anything. It's just observe, be aware of your surroundings, and plan. This is a card of like waiting for your ships to come in, but there's no water, So for now, what do? You plan. You expand into different areas, and so that's hopefully what you can do to, again, allow these energies to be more soothing in your body. Okay, thank you guys. With that said, I will be moving on to an oracle for you. Beautiful. The first card is called Focused. I focus my logical mind to make smart, effective business decisions. Interesting. I focus my logical mind to make smart, effective business decisions. Okay. Let's see if another one comes out for the collective. Faith. faith that I can manifest the wealth and prosperity that I desire. Beautiful. Respect. I can manifest love and respect when I love and respect myself. Thank you, everyone. I hope that these messages are of great service to all, and I hope to speak to you all soon. Thank you. Sending you all the best of vibes. Ciao.